Hello everyone, welcome to Code Crafters Lab. So now we are trying to solve the LCM of two numbers from TUF Plus. So here we are given with two integers n1 and n2 and we need to find the lowest common multiple of the two given numbers. And we want to return that LCM in our program. Okay, and lowest common multiple is nothing but lowest positive integer that is divisible by both the integers. So here in the example 1, n1 equal to 4, n2 equal to 6, the output is 12 because 4 into 3 12, 6 into 2 12, right? 12 is the lowest integer that is divisible both 4 and 6. In case of this, n1 equal to 3 and n2 equal to 5, it is 15 because 3 into 5 15 and 5 into 3 15. Okay, now in this case also 4 and 12 it is 12, right? So basically what we can understand from this is, like, let's say 3 and 5 example. So LCM n1 equal to 3, n2 equal to 5, right? And what is the output? Output is 15, right? Output should be 15 in this case. So here we can say we want to find the we want to find a positive integer that is divisible by both the integers. So can we say it should be a multiple of the greatest number from this, like the largest number from these two? Yes, we can say, because if we say in this particular case, if I say 4's multiplier 4, so it might be we won't get that. But if we say 5's multiplier, yes, it is 15. So it is nothing but 5 into 1, 5 into 2 and 5 into 3. That way we want to check, and we want to check whether the 15 modulo 3 equal to 0 and 15 modulo 5 equal to 0, right? This is what we want to check, right? So we can say here, let's say we will do one thing, int n equal to max of n1 n2, right? And then we'll take one integer I just for multiplication purpose and increase in the loop, and then while of true. Why while of true? I'll explain it. Okay, so just we'll write the inside condition. If before if we have to do one thing, this thing we have to do, right? This thing we have to do, and for 1 2 3 we'll use I. So what we'll do, int mult equal to n into I, n is maximum of it, and I. Then what we'll do, if mult modulo n1 equal to 0 and mult modulo n2 equal to 0. In that case, what we'll do, we'll return mult here, right? And while I'll close, and while of true. So it is like an infinite loop, but we are returning inside this condition, so we are sure that we will get our LCM here in any case. So let's say there are integers like n1 equal to 9, n2 equal to 10. There are no common, but 9 into 10, which is 90, it can be a LCM here because it can be divided by n1 and n2 also. And looking at it only, we can write our time complexity. It is nothing but O of n1 into n2, and space is O of 1. So let's try to code this. So int n equal to math.max. In Java we have to use max function, n1 comma n2, then int I equal to 1, right? And yes, one thing we missed is like we have to increase our i's value, I plus plus we have to do here. While of true, inside that what we'll do, int mult equal to n into I, right? And then if mult modulo n1 equal to 0 and then mult modulo into equal to 0, and inside that what we'll do, we will return mult, right? And after that what we'll do, I plus plus here. Let's try to run this. Yes, it's accepted. So yes, we have completed. So we'll try to see the optimal approach for this as well in the next lecture. Thank you for watching.